Wireless systems are the backbone of modern telecommunications. They bring connectivity to even the most remote areas. Let's explore two essential types: point-to-point and point-to-multipoint. Point-to-point, or P2P, is a direct connection between two locations. It's ideal for long-distance, high-capacity links such as connecting remote offices or facilities. This system ensures high-speed, reliable communication for critical operations. Point-to-multipoint, or P2MP, uses one central tower to serve multiple locations. This setup is perfect for reaching several homes, offices, or community buildings from a single site, making it highly efficient for rural or urban coverage. Setting up these systems involves careful planning and precision. Aligning antennas, selecting the right locations, and verifying signal strength with testing tools are critical steps to ensure optimal performance. Wireless coverage areas depend on terrain, interference, and equipment. Factors like hills, trees, and buildings can affect signal reach. Understanding these challenges is key to designing efficient, reliable networks. Like any technology, wireless systems can face challenges. Misaligned antennas, weather interference, or power disruptions are common issues. Effective troubleshooting and quick response keep the systems running smoothly. Routine maintenance is vital for long-term reliability. Regularly inspect equipment for wear and tear, update software for security and performance, and monitor the network for any signs of trouble. These wireless systems play a crucial role in bridging the digital divide. They empower communities by enabling education, healthcare, business, and communication. In summary, wireless systems like point-to-point and point-to-multipoint enable effective communication across distances. With proper setup, monitoring, and maintenance, these systems can reliably serve your community and transform connectivity.